Do you want to get a lot of followers on Instagram, or even become an Instagram influencer, to earn money from getting sponsored by brands? Then keep watching this video, because I will tell you exactly how to do it. The first step is obviously to make sure your pictures are attractive and outstanding, so they draw attention, and to post regularly. But besides that, there are a lot of other things that can help you a lot. One of these things is promoting yourself. Besides on Instagram, there are a lot of other places to promote your Instagram profile. One of the best ways to do this is by making an account on Tinder. Use your best pictures, and write something in your bio saying you're not very active on Tinder, but they can find you on Instagram. Make sure to swipe a few times every day, so your account is getting shown to a lot of people, because inactive accounts will not get shown a lot. Also put the range on maximum, and do some swipes when you're in another city. Tinder is a great way to gain followers fast, since the most people on there are Instagram users. If you're using any other type of social media, like Facebook, make sure to promote your Instagram there as well. There are even Facebook groups for Instagram engagement. These are people who help each other to get more engagement. Make sure to join a few of these. Now let's get back to Instagram, because Instagram on its own is also a great place to promote yourself. A good way to do this is looking for profiles who post pictures of other people, like so-called Instagram models. There are a lot of these accounts which have a lot of followers. Send them your best picture, and ask them if they can post it. When an account like that posts your picture, and tags your profile in it, you can gain a lot of followers. Another way to promote yourself through Instagram is liking and commenting a lot on profiles with a lot of followers who post the same kind of pictures as you do. Also make sure to follow these accounts very closely, to see how they do things, and what you can learn from them. Another trick, which is a bit sneaky, is looking at the followers of these accounts, and follow these people, so they will probably follow you back. You also need to make sure your content is optimized. Use a lot of relevant and popular hashtags. People on Instagram will search on these hashtags, and see your pictures. If you want to target a specific audience, make sure to also include some more specific and longer tags. Less people will search on them, but they are all the people you're looking for, and you will also have less competition from other people using these hashtags. Also geotag the location where you are or took the picture, and tag brands that are showing in your picture. Besides the tags, also write a short story as caption, like about the picture, or how your day was. People who can relate to the story are more likely to like the post and follow you, because they get a stronger personal connection with you. It's also very smart to ask questions in your captions, because this will create engagement. You can, for example, write something like, "Let me know in the comments what you think of this new outfit," or say something like, "Tag someone who needs to see this." More engagement means your pictures are shown more to people at the Explore page and when searching for hashtags. That's how the algorithm of Instagram works. That's also why it's not a good idea to buy followers, since they are fake, and bring no engagement. If you want to pay, it's better to pay for advertising. Also, find out which day of the week plus time is best to post, because the moment you post also matters. You want as much people as possible to see it, as soon as possible. It's also important to make your bio interesting. A plain boring bio is not likely to make people follow you, so spice things up a bit, use emojis, or write something funny that really shows your personality. Also make sure you have an interesting profile picture, and recent active stories. These are all things that can help to get people who check your profile to follow you. Also post some videos now and then, because people find them entertaining, and are more personal. A tip to make your pics look better, is learning how to edit them more professional, and get a better camera. When your pictures have a better quality, People are more likely to follow you. Make sure your pictures are not too dark, a bit brighter is better. Also try to mainly use the same few filters, instead of too many different ones, so your pictures go well together in the same style. You can also use story templates to make your stories look more professional. Keep in mind, you need to be consistent with posts, but quality over quantity. Avoid spamming pointless pictures with no value, because people are not interested in this. So make sure the things you post have quality. And last but not least, there are a lot of apps that can help you, which for example help you to find popular tags, and give analytic insights about your posts, to help you optimizing them better, because you can see what works good and what not. These were the best tips for growing your Instagram page. If you got any questions, comment below. Also don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on, more videos like this coming soon. Good luck on Instagram.